This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, June 17th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, 370 to 390, 8 to 900, 412 to 450, 7 to 800, 442 to 497, 6 to 700, 505 to 550, 5 to 600, 535 to 587, 4 to 500, 572 to 610, 3 to 400, 625 to 650. Heifers 900 plus, 365 to 372, 8 to 900, 388 to 399, 7 to 800, 430 to 461, 6 to 700, 481 to 503, 5 to 600, 495 to 525, 4 to 500, 520 to 570. On a light test of the market, yesterday in Central Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded from $4,700 per pair to $6,175 per pair. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. There have been rumblings, one packer is making inquiries, and steady money is out there. Canfax released its monthly trends report the other day. Steer and heifer calves placed in early fall and sold on the cash market in June. On average, feedlot margins are over $500 per head positive. For the month of June, feedlot margins are record large, and this is going back over 30 years worth of data. It should be pointed out, this is just for cattle trading on the cash market. That aside, positive margins are showing up on the forward delivery calf sales as demand remains exceptionally strong. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 210 to 242, D3 cows 170 to 210. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 210 to 260. In the U.S., there is no new trade report. Significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 240 in the south and 245 in the north. Four state show list volumes have been reported larger, with the largest week-over-week increase in fed supplies noted in the south. At the end of May, it was announced the new sustainable beef packing plant opened their doors in North Platte, Nebraska. A slow ramp-up is expected, but once the plant is at full capacity, they should be able to process 1,500 head of cattle per day. New packing capacity coming online does not bode well for packer margins that are already in the red. Nashabona cows averaged $293.55 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.61, down 14 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: June 225.75, down 127. August 213.22, down 232. October 211.05, down 185. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.